Check this thing out. It is all done. My 71 Hydro-Trac 14 started out as a 68 Super 12 Hydro. Has the front end off of a 71 SS14. Here's a startup of it. So there you go, as you saw, it runs and drives really good. I don't have a choke cable for it because that's on order. It's not here yet, but I wanted to do this video anyway. So underneath the hood, if I can get this hood open, it latches really tight. But everything is all factory under here. It's just, it doesn't have the factory gas tank because I don't like them. So I swapped it out for that one. And this starter generator cover does have the flaws on it, like I was showing in the last video. The next tractor I restore in this color, I can pull it off. It's just that screw right there, or that bolt back there, and then these two screws right there, and I can pop that off and repaint it. But I wasn't about to get all the paint stuff out just to paint that. Grill came out really good. That is so nice. Has to be one of the better ones I think I've done. This hood, you can see the reflection of the sky in it. It's so smooth. This hood I didn't even get down to bare metal. It was already really nice, so I just lightly sanded it and it was ready for paint. Even all around these pieces, they're all really nice. I was gonna drive this around a little bit more, but these mufflers, if anybody's bought a brand new shaker can muffler, you would know that the paint doesn't last very long on them. So figured I'd have to do this video before I drove it around too much and that paint gets burned off. Has a white seat that I redone, and this is actually a seat off of another tractor. I wasn't able to get to the store yet and get some white stuff for this one, so this is the exact same seat that will end up on here, so it's good enough. I do have the 500,000 tractor right inside the wall right here, believe it or not, half done. And here's a little video of that. Well, that's a weird sign to have hanging on the shop door. Oh wow, look at this.